Greetings, welcome to episode number 41 of Monday Morning Motivation, and the topic for today is power of reading books. Friends, as you know, I travel across the world, talk to many entrepreneurs, talk to many venture capitalists and many other successful people. And one common habit I'm seeing with many successful people is they have the habit of reading books. Of course, it's not mandatory. There are some other people who, without reading books, are still successful. But 80% of the most successful people I meet have this habit of reading a book, and I ask them what is the current book they read. So, why reading a book is important? Because if you read a book, it changes your thoughts, and when your thoughts are changed, your actions are changed, and your actions are changed, your results are changing, and that's why it is helping you to become more and more successful. Currently, I am reading a book called The Money Trap by Alok Sama. It talks about the world of technology and deal making, talks mostly about Nikesh Arora and SoftBank chairman Masasan. A lot of new learnings I get from this book. So my recommendation for today, my motivation message for today is, please read at least one book a month, if not at least 10 pages a month. Thank you once again. Let's follow the habit of successful people, and we will also achieve success in our life. See you soon next week. Thank you.